friends, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today will be a fall clean and decorate with me part 2, and thank you so much for all of the love on my part 1. This is just a quick overview, is showing you guys in case you didn't see part 1. I will have that link below. Make sure you go back and check it out. It is a very calming, cozy decorating style video, and I go into full detail decorating my family room. But today's video, we are going to be moving into my kitchen area, and I am so excited to share the outcome with you all. I just love how it came out. My whole family is really enjoying it, and I am just so pleased. So if you guys are here for fall clean and decorate motivation for fall 2022, I have got you guys covered. Grab yourself a hot cup of coffee or tea, and let's dive right in. Before I bring in my fall decor, I'm going to clear out this kitchen. I need to clear the clutter off of the countertops, wipe everything down, and just leave myself with a clean slate. I do not like to bring out my fall and Christmas decorations when I have a mess in my home or a lot of clutter. So it always helps me to start with a clean slate. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to clear off all the counters here in the kitchen and wipe everything down. So that way it just gives me a clear mind and I'm able to get more of a vision when I decorate. So I'm going to start from scratch and just clear everything out of the kitchen. I have been staying on top of dishes, so I didn't have a whole lot, so I was just going to put the dishes that I had in the sink and then throw them into the dishwasher, and I will actually be running a load in today's video. But of course, before I run it, I want to make sure I have my family do a little sweep of the house and grab any cups or dishes that could be maybe in the family room or upstairs before I run the dishwasher. And then I'm just going to have my son take his stuff that was here on the counter and put it where it belongs. And then the rest of the stuff I'm just going to stage on my dining room table until I'm ready for it. Have you all busted out your fall and Halloween mugs yet? I was so anxious to get mine pulled out. My fall and Halloween and Christmas mugs are my absolute favorite mugs here all year round. And the one that I showed you guys is from a sweet little small shop. You can find her on Instagram, and her handle is Mug and Minnie, and she has the cutest designs. On my countertops today, I'm just using Acorn Spice by Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. I'm giving everything a good spray, and then I'm just going to wet my microfiber cloth and just give everything a really good wipe down and even the backsplash. Again, so I'm starting with a really clean slate, and that way I can really focus on what I want to do in here because I wasn't entirely sure. I have quite a bit of fall decor, and I knew that I wasn't going to use all of it. So I was trying to be very mindful about what I brought in and kind of push myself a little out of my comfort zone. Now that the kitchen is cleared out and clean, we can start to get festive and bust out all of my fall decor. This is a print that I just printed off from Etsy. I bought it from a small shop called North Prints. Again, you can just search them right on Etsy, and a lot of these prints are just a few dollars, and then you can print them right from home. I actually used to print these at Walgreens and go pick them up for just a couple of dollars, but my friend Hope, her channel here on YouTube is At Home with Hope. I saw in one of her videos that she just printed it on regular paper, and she even Mod Podged hers, but I didn't even go the extra step. I actually really enjoy the matte finish on this, just printing it on regular printer paper, and I put it right into a frame that I already had. So I was able to achieve this beautiful fall look and frame a beautiful picture for here in my kitchen for just a few dollars. Starting to the right of my stovetop, I am just going to put out a few pieces of decor, but I just wanted to let you know that whatever I put out today, you're going to see me move it around until it falls where I like it, or I might leave it for a couple days and come back to it and move things around again. So what you guys see me do in today's video isn't necessarily how my kitchen is going to stay. So make sure you guys stick around and subscribe, because I will be doing a final home tour when I wrap up all of my fall decorating and feel good about where everything has landed. But starting here on this counter, I put up this wooden sign with a 3M strip just on my backsplash, and it says "Meet me at the pumpkin patch." And then I'm taking these pumpkin pie bites that I picked up from Target with some of these tribal style pumpkins that I've had for a few years. I think these were also from Target, and I'm just going to put them here on my countertop and kind of make a little bakery area. Again, you won't see the final result here in today's video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to see how this comes out. I love how this whole kitchen came together. In this other corner to the left of my stove, kind of by my kitchen sink, I'm going to do a little vignette over here. This used to have my KitchenAid mixer, but I got really over having that on display in this portion of the kitchen, so we're going to mix it up a little bit. And again, I just love how it all came together. This little bushel basket was from Michael's a few years ago. Same thing with the faux fruit that's in it. It's just a few faux apples and faux pomegranates, and I just thought that it brought in the apple picking season and all those fun festivities that come along with fall, and I decided to just lay the basket on its side and just spill a few of these pomegranates out of it. The fall florals here you see to the right of this, those are from, I believe they're Threshold brand from Target, and I actually picked those up last year. I did a huge fall haul for my fall shopping for 2022. I got so many great goodies this year, and that includes this beautiful brass pumpkin that I picked up from Ross. I believe it was just $12.99. I got a couple of them. The other one is in my family room. And then this beautiful mercury glass candle was also from Ross, and I think that was just $7.99. And I just love how these mercury glass candles glow, especially in the evening. For my Christmas decorate last year, I hung some beautiful Christmassy wreaths off the backs of my bar stools, and I thought it would be really fun to also do that for the fall season. So I picked up these mini wreaths from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna tie them with some jute string that I already had to the backs of my bar stools, and I just think they add a special little touch and a special little something to this kitchen island area. And it's a really cheap way to bring in just some fall cozies and fall florals into any space. And again, these were very reasonably priced from Hobby Lobby. I think they were originally $12.99 and I got them for 50% off. I have this counter space to the left of my kitchen sink, and that's where I have been keeping my espresso machine. I just didn't like how this was over in my coffee bar on the other side of my fridge, which I am thinking about doing a fall coffee bar. So let me know down below in the comments if that is something that you guys want me to film and share, and I can make sure I get that planned out and scheduled for you all. But right now, I'm really liking this espresso machine on this bigger area. My husband actually uses this more than I do, and I actually think it's really beautiful, so I don't like it to just be shoved in the corner. But it had a lot of coffee spilt on it and just like fingerprints and stuff on there. So I wanted to wipe everything down with my spray and then decorate this area just very simple, but also flow with the rest of the kitchen. I put a garland over my kitchen sink for my Christmas decor last year, so I'm trying to take a lot of the decor that I just loved from Christmas and recreate it for fall. And I already own this fall garland. I actually think this is from Michael's a couple years ago, but it's been in my storage bins and I just haven't been going with bold colors for the last few years. So I was really excited to bring this out. I would actually love to add some fairy lights to it. Again, that's what I do for Christmas, and it's on a timer, and it just makes the whole downstairs feel so cozy with the glow of the fairy lights at night. So we'll have to see if I get around to adding those up there, but I have so many remote battery powered candles around my house. I'm gonna be doing a really cozy master bedroom clean and decorate and just bring all the cozy feels into my space, my bedroom, so that way I can watch spooky movies and my fall Hallmark movies. It's the best. But continuing over here with the kitchen area, we got that garland up, and now I'm just setting up my wooden pedestal and putting my Mrs. Meyer's fall scents on display with this cute little pumpkin. I shared this kitchen towel ladder in my fall haul that I will actually link that down below for you guys. You guys don't want to miss that one. I go into really great detail where I got everything and prices and kept everything super affordable and realistic. But I decided to add this little ladder over here by this pumpkin and put a nice, really warm colored kitchen towel on it, and I actually think I'm going to be swapping out this towel, but I didn't have any fall kitchen towels, so this just did for now for the sake of getting my kitchen nice and decorated. But I do plan on decorating the guest bathroom down here, and I got some really cute stuff. So this towel was actually intended for that space, but for now I think it works really well in here. That is going to do it for today's video. Comment below and let me know how you guys liked this one. I am just so excited with my fall decor this year, and I'm so happy that I pushed myself out of my comfort zone and brought in all of these really warm traditional colors of fall. My family is really enjoying it. My husband really loves it. He complimented me, and thank you again for all the love on part 1. I will have my fall haul, my fall decorate part 1 linked down below in the comments. And if you guys enjoyed this, could you do me a favor and hit that like button? It helps out my channel a ton. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would love to invite you to hit that subscribe button today. And other than that, friends, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!